How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can save a project in PyCharm. So I have my PyCharm project right here, ready to go and ready to be saved. And if you want to do that, it's going to be extremely simple. You just want to click on the main menu button, which is going to be the hamburger icon at the top corner of your screen. From here, you have the ability to save the folder or to save the project as a project or file. So basically my file right here is Python, so it's going to be py. And then if you want to change the file location on where you want this file to be saved at, you just want to click on this dots right here. And then of course, you could just save it to wherever you want to. Click select folder, click OK. And basically from there, you're good to go. Unfortunately, this file already exists, so it just wants us to change the name, click OK, and that's it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.